Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College. Especially today's session is about the injector. It is the component used in the fuel supply system. It functions to inject the fuel with the high pressure in the engine cylinder to mix with the air to be burned and produce explosion that force the piston down and rotate the crankshaft. So this is the injector nozzle tester. It just tests if the nozzle open or it does not open. So this is the lever, this is the manual valve, this is the gauge, pressure gauge to indicate the pressure your injector. So this is the fuel tank or reservoir. It store the fuel. So we are going to see how to test it. You come and connect that pipe and you just cross wire in order to prevent the link. So we are going to pressurize. This is how the injector injects the fuel in the cylinder. You see, it optimizes the fuel with the high pressure, and that's how it injects the fuel in the engine cylinder and mix with the air. And because of the compression, it allows the pressure and the temperature to be burned or explode in order to produce the force to push the piston down and provide the rotary energy or rotary motion to the crankshaft in order to rotate the other transmission line of the engine. This is how to test the injector nozzle. If it does not inject or open, you will not see any injection of the fuel. So that is it means that this injector it works properly. You see, inject the fuel. So thank you so much for today's session. But the next video we'll see how to test this injector nozzle or the injection pressure on the electronic injector nozzle tester device. Thank you so much.